Hey everyone, so check these out. I just traced these from my favorite pair of shorts. Also went out and bought a body pillow. And by now you should know we're going to be making some shorts. So let's jump right in. Let's open this up. And I got Ichka from Quintessential Quintuplets. This is gonna hurt me, but I'm gonna open up the seams and tear this thing apart. Now I'm gonna lay it out and we're gonna cut out the shapes. There's one and number two. And all the other ones. Now I'm going to lay down the two front panels and sew on the pocket. We got our sewing machine, let's turn it on, and let's get to sewing. And I'm going to do the same thing to the back. And done, let's cut the extra. And now I'm going to sew the front panels to the back panels. Gotta pin them down. And here we go. We're going to sew them together. Looking good. Now that that's done, we're going to sew both sides together. So we're going to pin them down again. And boom, just like that. Now we're going to do a quarter turn. And we're going to work on the crotch. I already got it pinned down, so let's take it to the sewing machine. And just to be extra secure, I sewed the crotch twice. Alright, so now I'm just going to flip it inside out. Alright, so all we got left is the waistband. And yeah, we're going to cut this down. I found this elastic waistband at Walmart for about $1. Sew the ends together. Perfect. Now we're just going to pin them onto the shorts. And I made some guidelines with pencil, so just to make sure it's straight. But yeah, let's get to sewing. For this part, I have to stretch out the waistband with the fabric while it's being sewed. Just so it scrunches up, no big deal. We are done! I gotta say, this turned out amazing. This is my first ever fully custom pair of shorts, and I love them. Here you guys go, enjoy the reveal. These are so fun to make, I can't wait to make more. And don't worry guys, I used the whole body pillow. Check out the back. And fun fact, the pockets are actually their feet. Yeah, I did not waste a single thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.